So today I will show you how to split a video in Mac for free. To start the so
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
dig into the video now. So first, this is a 2.18 gigabytes of video file, and what I want to do, I want to split it in two video of 1 gig and another one is 1.18 gig. Okay, so let's do it. So I open the video is 8 minutes long in QuickTime Clear. Then go to the file and edit, and then click the trim button. Okay, so this is as it can get. So here from the start to there you can see the time bar of the videos. So I go to, like, it's a 8-minute video, so I'll take just 4 minutes. Okay, so here you go, very slowly, and if you want to make it correct, so just do it. All right, so this is 4 minutes, and click on the trim button. Okay, so you can have a 4 minutes long video from your 8 minutes long video. Now what you need to do, you need to save it. So write down demo half. Okay, click on save. So you started saving the video. Okay, done. So you have demo half, which is around 4 minutes long. To check did it really work, go here, and here is your 4 minutes long video, 0 to 4 minutes. You can play it just to see that all the video is there.
Show you the batteries.
The 4-minute video is there. Now let's get the last 4 minutes of the video. So I open the same video again, my recorded video. It is like 8 minutes long. So let's click on the edit and trim, and it was 4 minutes long, so I was until 4. So let's do it. This time I am compressing it, deducting it, compressing the time bar from the front, because I want to take the last 4 minutes, right? So just slowly. There you go. The last part you need to be a little bit careful. Okay, you don't want to mess up, you don't want to miss the video, so you need to be very careful when you do this. I want exact 4 minutes, so you need to be careful. 16, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so we are good. And I click on the trim button. Done. And file, save. Write down demo last half. Okay, so done. You can see the video is around 0 to 356 seconds. Here you go. Close the video. Go here. Check that your demo last half is here. So let's open the video. So you can see 0 to 3 minutes 50 seconds. So that's how, without paying money to any software, downloading any software, you can split a video in Mac. Bye bye. Take care.